Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of integers. This is sixth question of its exercise 1.3. So the question says that a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So हमें initial temperature given है 40 degree centigrade and change in temperature per hour हमें गिवन है 5 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. बिकॉज ऑफ ये डिक्रीज हो रहा है इसे हम माइनस साइन लगा के रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. सो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर इन 10 hours is equal to minus 5 into 10 is equal to minus 50 degree centigrade. So final temperature of room after 10 hours, initial माइनस जो हमारे चेंजेस हुए 10 आवर्स में, सो माइनस 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. सो व्हाट विल बी द रूम टेम्परेचर 10 hours after the process begins? So it will be minus 10 degree centigrade. Thank you.